if we told you the future of innovation isn't in a factory, but inside a box the size of a microwave? From building airplane parts to custom organs, 3D printing is reshaping how we build, heal, and live. Today, we're diving deep into how 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and healthcare, and what this means for the next decade. Also known as additive manufacturing, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer using materials like plastic, metal, resin, or even human cells. First invented in the 1980s, it was once too slow and expensive, but now it's in schools, homes, hospitals, and global industries. Quick animation of a digital blueprint turning into a real object. Faster prototyping. Car companies like Ford and BMW use 3D printing to create parts in hours instead of weeks. Designers iterate faster, improving performance while reducing costs. Custom tooling and on-demand parts. Factories now print custom jigs and fixtures tailored to their assembly lines. Military and aerospace sectors print parts on location, especially in remote environments or space. Sustainability, less waste, fewer shipping emissions, lower inventory storage. Companies are now producing parts only when needed with no mass overproduction. Prosthetics. Organizations like Enable are providing affordable, custom-fit prosthetics for kids and adults worldwide. Traditional prosthetics can cost $5,000 to $50,000. 3D printed ones can cost under $100. Surgical tools and models. Surgeons use 3D printed organ models to prepare for complex operations. Custom surgical guides make operations more precise, reducing time in the operating room. Dental and orthopedic implants. Clear aligners, crowns, and even hip replacements are now printed per patient. This personalization means better outcomes and faster recovery. This is where it gets futuristic. Bioprinting uses bioink, made of living cells, to print tissue structures. Companies like Organovo and university labs are working on skin grafts for burn victims, cartilage for knee repair, and even functional heart and liver tissue. While we're not printing full organs for transplant yet, we're getting closer every year. Icon is printing entire homes in 24 hours for disaster relief and low-income housing. NASA is exploring 3D printed habitats for Mars colonization. Companies like Redefine Meat and Nova Meat are even printing plant-based steaks. Visual, 3D printed house being assembled, meat printing process. Challenges, material limits. Not everything can be printed yet. Regulatory issues, especially in healthcare and aerospace. Speed versus scale. Great for custom or small batches, but still catching up to traditional mass production. The future. As AI and 3D printing combine, expect fully autonomous design to production pipelines. Imagine uploading a blueprint to the cloud and having it printed across the world on demand. From personalized healthcare to sustainable housing, 3D printing is turning science fiction into everyday reality. We're not just building objects anymore, we're building a smarter, faster, and more personal future. What would you print if you could print anything? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech breakthroughs every week.